I've picked up some weird habits making over $1 million a year for 19 years straight. Here's one of them. You've got to break your big life goals into little, small, digestible daily tasks. Listen, it's important for us all to have big goals, but what I want you to do is I want you to also break those goals into little tasks. Like I fill out one of these sheets every single day. Here's all my big goals. I write them down. But then here's a checklist of the little tasks I need to do every day. Everything from push-ups to making phone calls to clearing out my email to following up on my pipeline to creating videos just like this. All the little things that I do every day, I can check them off this list. It keeps me motivated, it keeps me on target, and this is a huge reason why I make over $1 million a year. My name's Matt Easton. Consider giving me a follow for more tips just like this to be successful both in business and life.